This video includes an overview of how to remove the control panel on the Napoleon Prestige Pro Gas Grill. The control panel is located below the grill's lid handle and is secured in place with bolts through the bezels and spring pins through the side shelves. This panel protects many internal components and wire harnesses from the elements and can be removed for servicing. Before performing any service on the grill, ensure it is turned off, has had sufficient time to cool down, and it is disconnected from all electrical and fuel sources. Begin by removing each knob, pulling them away from the control panel, and exposing the two bolts on each bezel. These can be removed using a Torx wrench, keeping track of the hardware as it's being removed. The bezel should be carefully pulled from its location, as there is a wire harness attached at the back which must be removed. Repeat these steps for each knob and bezel on the main control panel. Now turn your attention to the display screen and reach behind it to remove the two wing nuts at the back, which are securing it to the side shelf. Now carefully lift the display from its location and disconnect all the wire harnesses at the back. Then place it in a safe location. Move to the right side of the grill and reach under the side burner to locate the two spring pins. These will both need to be pulled and rotated 90 degrees in order to be held in the open position. This will disconnect them from the control panel face, allowing you to pull it slightly away from the front of the grill. Now move to the display screen opening and repeat the steps to pull and rotate the two spring pins on the opposite side. While supporting the control panel, lift the lid of the grill and carefully free the panel from its location. Make sure to do this step slowly, as the power switch, proximity sensor, and igniter switch will still be attached to the bottom. These will need to be disconnected to remove the control panel from the grill entirely and perform any service. To reinstall the control panel, reattach the switches and proximity sensor, then carefully place the ends of each bezel wire through the control panel and connect them to the bezels. This will prevent them from falling behind the control panel while it's being installed. Next, pull the spring pins and turn them 90 degrees so they can retract. When the control panel is placed correctly, the angle of the side shelves and control panel will match as the spring pins snap into place. Now secure all the bezels to the control panel using their hardware and reconnect the wire harnesses to the back of the display screen, ensuring the locking tabs are engaged. Once reconnected, place the screen back into the opening and return power to the grill, then test its operation to ensure it functions correctly. Take this time to also reinstall the control knobs and test them to ensure they function as intended. If the grill operates correctly, disconnect the power and re-secure the screen in place using the wing nuts. Power and gas can then be returned to the grill. With the propane tank connected to the grill, create a 50-50 water dish soap mixture to perform a leak test. Open the propane tank slowly, then apply the water dish soap mixture to the main connection and look for bubbles forming, indicating a leak. If bubbles are noted, tighten the connection as necessary. The grill can then be used as usual. See the link in the description for more videos on the Napoleon Prestige Pro.